A very good morning, children. Today we are going to do Social Studies, Chapter 12, Human Resources. And this chapter you will get in your Social Studies book number 2. Now, what are we going to do in this lesson? In this lesson, we'll learn about the most important natural resources, progress made by India after independence, steps taken by government to improve human resources. Now, children, as the heading says, human resources. Now, what is human resources? Human resources means set of people who make up the workforce. कुछ group of people जो work फोर्स बनाते, जैसे आर्मी का एक फोर्स है, ऐसे एवरी डिपार्टमेंट हैज़ गॉट अ फोर्स. पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट हैज़ गॉट अ फोर्स. फोर्स मीन्स ह्यूमन बींग्स टुगेदर, आदमी लोग, औरतें, टीचर्स, डॉक्टर्स, दे आर ऑल ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट आर ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज? दे आर गोइंग टू टेल यू. इंडिया इज़ ब्लेस्ड विथ मैनी नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. इंडिया जो है, इंडिया के पास बहुत ज़्यादा नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज है. नाउ व्हाट इज़ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज? Natural resources are air, water, minerals, soil. These are the natural resources. But these natural resources cannot be useful or helpful if they are not utilized in proper way. ये ना तो यूज़फुल हो सकता है, ना हेल्पफुल हो सकता है, if we are not using it in a proper way. Now, who is going to use this water, air and all in a proper way? Human beings. So to utilize all this, to use all this, we need people who are intelligent, skilled and educated. इसलिए हमें कैसे लोग चाहिए? Intelligent, skilled and educated. People having these qualities will prove to be a boon to the country. और जिन जिन के पास ये qualities है, they will prove a boon. Boon means gift. अगर if you are intelligent, if you are skilled, if you are talented, if you are educated, then you are a gift to the nation. Okay, so people of the country are most important resource of the country. So सबसे important resource कौन सा है country का? Human resource. They are the human resources. Now let's do the second point, that is the progress after independence. In India, a lot of progress has been made after independence. Independence के बाद progress मतलब उन्नति, बहुत इंडिया आगे बढ़ी है after the independence. You know, British were ruling us. We were slaves. हम गुलाम थे. Now we are independent India. After the independence, India made many factories, industries, schools, colleges and hospitals have been opened in every part of the country. They have helped in increasing the prosperity and improving the health of the people. इन सब चीज़ को करने से क्या क्या बनाया है हमने? इंडस्ट्रीज़, फैक्ट्रीज, स्कूल्स, कॉलेजेस, सबकी वजह से इंडिया हैज़ बिकम वेरी प्रॉस्पेरस. They have helped in increasing the prosperity and improving the health of our people. Our people's health also has been improved because of this prosperity. जो हमने progress किया है, just because of that, even our health is also improved. In villages, primary health centers and dispensaries have eradicated diseases like malaria. जो dispensaries खुले हुए हैं villages में, that has eradicated means removed malaria from villages. Many welfare schemes have been started for the benefit of children from poor and backward families. कुछ welfare scheme, अच्छे अच्छे schemes भी government ने करे हैं, जिससे जो the people who are poor and backward family people, their children are taught and many things are given to them so that they can be educated. In cities and towns, clean drinking water, sewage disposal and many other facilities have helped in improving the living conditions of people. Cities में भी बहुत changes आए हैं because drinking water has become very clean and neat. Sewage system, that is the drainage system, is also very good now. A lot of development has taken place in India, but still many people live in poverty. बहुत development हुआ है इंडिया में, but people are still living in poverty. You know, a lot of development has taken in India, but still many of them cannot afford proper food and education. कई लोग बेचारे proper food भी नहीं खा सकते. This is due to huge increase of population. ये किसके वजह से है? ये हम लोगों की वजह से है. Because of the increase of population. Population क्या है? जनसंख्या. Because of the increase of population, poverty has come into India. The population of India has increased 68 from 68 crores in 1981 to 121 crores in the year 2011. You have to be very careful. You should know the population of India. Current in 2020, when I was surfing the Google, I could see our population has increased to 138 crores. First it was 68 crores in 1981, 2011 it was 121, and now it is 138 crores. Children, write it somewhere. India is the second largest populous country after China. China के बाद इंडिया है सबसे ज़्यादा जनसंख्या पॉपुलेशन वाली कंट्री. दिस ह्यूज इंक्रीज इन पॉपुलेशन हैज़ क्रिएटेड अ ग्रेट नंबर ऑफ इलिटरेट्स एंड पुअर पीपल. ये जो पॉपुलेशन के वजह से, इतना ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन की वजह से, वी हैव गॉट नाउ लॉट ऑफ इलिटरेट पीपल. इलिटरेट मीन्स दोज हु डिड नॉट स्टडी, जो अनपढ़ होते हैं, एंड पुअर पीपल मतलब गरीब पीपल. देर इज़ अ शॉर्टेज ऑफ फूड, शेल्टर एंड क्लॉथ. सारी चीज़ों की कमी आती है. सपोज इफ़ यू आर पीपल आर मोर, there is no money, and if you are illiterate you cannot go to office, you cannot earn. That means shortage तो हो गई ना सब चीज़ों का. Medical facilities are inadequate and so many people are there, so medical facilities also less. Inadequate means it's not up to the adequacy, मतलब एक मार्क तक नहीं है, जितना होना चाहिए उतना नहीं है. Not fulfilled to the whole population of India. To fulfill their basic needs, people move from rural to urban areas. अगर आपको लोगों को लगने लगा कि if I stay in rural area, that is in villages, I cannot survive, I have to go to urban areas, and they have all come into cities. Urban areas means cities. And lack of space leads to the growth of slums in cities. अब इतने सारे लोग अगर विलेजेस से भी आ जाएंगे सिटीज़ में, obviously in India will the cities will turn into slum. They have shown you a picture of slum area in Mumbai, and during this COVID, children, Mumbai was affected a lot. That was just because of the slum, जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा झोपड़ियाँ हैं, छोटे छोटे घर हैं, all are very close to each other. No, the condition is so pathetic. No drainage system properly, no cleanliness, no social distancing. That's why because of that slums in Mumbai, was like facing a lot of problem due to COVID. To fulfill their basic needs, people move from rural to urban areas. Lack of space leads to the growth of slums in cities. In turn, the slums are centers of diseases due to improper sewage system. As a result of these problems, even good and skilled workers are unable to make good use of their abilities. इतने ज़्यादा जो लोग विलेजेस से आ जाते हैं, then skilled laborers are not getting proper work. उनको भी काम नहीं मिल रहा है. So this has turned the cities also dirty and not worth using because of the large population of India.